guys, so for today's fun kid experiment slash craft, we are going to do a DIY lava lamp. Do you remember lava lamps from when we were kids?
I do.
So this is a very simple project with only, one, two, three, four, maybe 5 different things needed. So you're gonna need a bottle. This is a Gatorade bottle that Jordan drank out of. Filled 2/3, I'm sorry, of the way with, this is canola oil. And then you're gonna fill it up to about 2 inches from the top with water. So you can see the water is just sitting at the bottom, and then this is the oil. You're gonna need some food coloring. Jordan really likes blue, so we're doing blue again.
Yep.
And then you just need some, these are just Alka Seltzer tablets, the ones that fizz. So if you have Tums, those aren't gonna work. We figured that out. So
I bought the wrong ones at first.
it's very simple. You're just gonna put the food coloring in in the bottle, and then you're gonna drop one of these in, and it's gonna make a lava lamp. So you're gonna be the experimenter. I'm gonna tell you what to do. So give it a shot. So we put ours on a plastic bin lid. It shouldn't overflow, but in the rare case that it does, I don't want to get it everywhere. So if you want to put something to set it on, that's fine. So what Jordan's gonna do is he's gonna put 5 to 6 drops of food coloring in the container. So go ahead and do that.
5 to 6.
Mm-hmm. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna drop in an Alka Seltzer tablet. Dropping in the tablet.
There we go.
Oh, there it goes.
Starting.
So you can see actually the food coloring is starting to come up with the Alka Seltzer tablet bubbles. And then it'll go back down and go back. So it'll keep going until the tablet runs out, because the bottom is all water. So when the tablet mixes with the water, it starts to bubble. It's a citric acid. I think it's a bicarbonate. So actually water, if you knew, water and oil don't mix. So they can't form any sort of chemical bond, which is why they stay separate. So then with the water all on the bottom and the food coloring at the bottom, because it all sunk, the Alka Seltzer tablet will start to bubble with the water, and then it'll just start cycling like that. So it's a little chemistry mixed in with a little bit of cool looking lava lamp stuff. It's starting to really go now. It took a minute to get going, but essentially, I mean, that's a little bit more chaotic than a lava lamp was.
It's very aggressive.
But it gives you the general idea of how it works. You can see it actually, I'm gonna come in a little bit on it here. You can see it go down, so it goes to the top, and then it goes back down.
So is this like a temporary lava lamp until the seltzer stops bubbling?
And I mean, if you wanted to keep going, you could
just drop another
tablet in there.
I wonder how long it'll last. Looks like it just gave up. As I said that.
The end.
That looks sweet.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.